Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool static background in Canva. So you're just going to go down to draw. If it's not there, just go to apps and select draw and select your marker. And I'm just going to color the whole thing blue first. You can also do it with your background here, so I'm just going to do that first. Go to draw and then select marker and make sure the size is really large, and then you are just going to choose colors of your choice, of course. And I'm just going to draw this purple kind of circle here and one over here too. And then I'm going to draw another circle kind of in the middle like so, and I'm just going to draw another one here. You can add as many colors as you'd like. Once you are done, go to Done, Edit Image, See All and Adjustments, and blur it out, like so. Then from here you can just add text and whatever you want on this cute blurred background. I'm just going to add a quick text. I'm just going to add this. Oh, you can barely see it. Hold on. Maybe you can if I choose it in a different color, like so. And that is basically it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section and down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!